Guys, back with another video. Now, before I start, there's going to be a lot of videos today on the crypto channel. Okay, a lot of videos. So any other cryptos you guys want me to go over, just leave it in the comment section down below so I can check them out. So we're talking about Matic USD. Well, let's see, MATUSD. Now, with this one, okay, I gave you guys a very important resistance level, as you can see right there, right around that 96 cents area. And you tell me, where did resistance come in this whole time for like the past, what, 3 weeks? Here, all through that resistance level. Now, the first thing is, you see how this is resistance level is not going to higher prices, right? It doesn't want to break out of that resistance level. So what can that tell us? That can tell us that Matic USD wants to go down, and we're finally starting to see that downward movement. Now, the last time we got up to that resistance level, we had some downward movement here also, and then we retraced higher. But this retracement higher really didn't mean anything. Well, unless you scalped it, but it really didn't mean anything because it didn't go anywhere above the previous highs, right? It tried to go here, but then it just came right back down. So there is one level I'm looking at that I'm expecting some buying pressure to come off of. And remember, I gave you those scenarios right here. It was either going to run up and pull down or run up, resistance act as support, and then we go to higher prices. So we're getting that first scenario down here, running up to that resistance and pulling down, as you can see. All right, I drew it out for you guys. Try you guys the best knowledge, best levels. Make sure you guys smash the like button. Also, make sure you guys join. First link in the description. The website is open to become a Will Knowledge member. Okay, now we're going to change all this up. So where is, also follow me on Instagram at will.knowledge. Will.knowledge. Follow me on Instagram, almost over that 1,000 follower mark. Let's get to it. Now, let me see, where's the level at? Okay, so level I'm looking at, nice, clean, nice, even number. Let me switch. It's at 84 cents even. So 84 cents even is like really the biggest level, because it's not just a buying level, it's also a support in here. Okay, so let me see. Now, resistance isn't too clear. There's actually a lot of resistance above Matic USD right now, so it's not too clear. So it might still have a hard time to kind of run up to these higher prices, to run back up in here. It's going to have a hard time. It's a lot of resistance. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to just leave the resistance level here, but just know it's like three to five resistance levels within this area right here. Okay, so probably going to have a tough time trying to get back up to those prices. Let me take this off. Let me take that off. So my buying level and support for Matic USD is about 84 cents. So I'm looking for that pull down there to enter in there. This is an entry for a shorter term play that I'm looking for. So if you want to know, when I enter and exit on cryptos, just make sure you join. First link in that description also, okay, to become a Will Knowledge member. And I'm going to leave that exit at about 96 cents. So if you kind of look at the profit that we're getting, right, we can get about a 14% type of profit. Usually my minimum is 10%. That'll take us about to 92, 93 cents. But then you have to remember too, some of these cryptos didn't have this nice run, right? Like Ethereum had a nice run. Ethereum's merge is coming up in September. So I think that's going to be a big one. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But let me take these off. Okay, so main thing we're watching. If we do not pull down here, which I think we will, but if we don't and we start to trend back up higher, I'm only watching the resistance level at 96 cents. That's it. If we're trending lower and we don't pull higher, I'm only watching the 84 cents level for buying pressure to start sending us up. Now, just because buying pressure comes off this level and starts going higher doesn't mean we're going to start going up to $1. Okay, it doesn't mean that. We could just bounce up, right? Price can come down here. We bounce up a little bit and then break, right? So we want to be mindful of that right there. That could be a scenario, or it could bounce, trend higher, and then we start going higher. So kind of watch those two scenarios. Thank you guys for watching the video. Always remember, no recommendation to buy or sell anything. This is for educational purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.